Hey guys, we're here with Hunter and Mason today. Today we're going to open up this superhero blind bag. We picked this up at Target. It says there's over $25 worth of toys and collectibles. It was $9.99 at Target. We have no idea what's in these. This is made by Neca, and we're gonna find out what's inside of these bags. We watched a couple other reviews on them, and it seems like every bag has a little something different in it. So they're gonna tear through here and see what's in it.
Whoa! Everyone take something. You got one. Whoa, what's that? You take this blind bag. You take the blind bag. Oh God! Oh, that's it?
Captain America!
Oh, cool!
Let's see. What is this?
Let's see what's else.
We got this little Captain America.
Super exciting.
I believe this goes on a cord. I think he's a Captain America cord climber. You put this on your cord, like your iPhone, Android, whatever, and he does that. What is that?
So cool.
What's in there? Let me see. Let's see. What's in there? Oh, so these are tabs. Oh, you hear that? They're poppets, I guess.
Oh, that's cool.
This one,
Whoa. A dog.
I'm not positive. You guys tell me. I'm thinking that's pretty cool.
Look, Batman.
And you guys comment down below. Let me know who these two people are, because I have no idea. You guys let me know who they are in the comments below.
Super cool.
What is that?
Mason opened this.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
It was in
Little
this
Batman character.
completely camouflaged bag. You can't
Okay.
see anything.
That's pretty cool. Little Batman. Who's this? Oh, Guardians of Galaxy. Who's this? Is this Rocket? Is that Rocket? I think that's a Rocket plush. That's pretty cool.
And then he got this dog tag.
Oh, you got a dog tag? Oh, who's that? Oh, Batman dog tag. Pretty awesome.
So cool.
That was pretty cool, guys. What do you think?
Did you see this? Did you see the...
That's the cord hanger. What do you think?
Oh, cool.
Do you think that blind bag was pretty cool? Hunter?
Yes. Awesome.
Do you think that was good? What do you think?
So these
5-star?
These were called hub snaps.
Hub snaps. Little snappers.
That's what that was. I wonder what that's really for.
May, what do you think? Was it pretty cool? Yeah.
He's trying to open
All right,
his
guys,
hub snap.
comment down below. Let us know if you've opened these bags in the past. Let us know what you got. Please smash that like button down below. Subscribe to our channels. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.